Alright, so what we're doing is today we have to replace my headlight socket. Alright, so let me show you. So, a little while after I got this car, noticed one headlight on, one headlight off. So I replaced the headlight bulb, noticed it still didn't turn on until I started fiddling with it. So we have to replace that socket. Now, it is a Dodge. Dodge is a motherfucker, and they like to play games. So I've been looking around, trying to find the correct part. There we go. Alright, so here's the game that Dodge played, is that this car, and you can't even see because it's getting a little bit too dark out here. But so this is a 3-wire connector. Oh, it's getting so dark. Alright, it's a 3-wire connector, and if you look for this connector anywhere, it's only got 2 wires. The 2 black ones are grounds. The one green one is your live. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a 2-wire, splice the live wire to the live wire, and then splice the 2 grounds to the 1 ground. So we have over here, back in the little tiny fucking bumper cart, we have Dorman part number 85813. It is a universal headlight socket with a live and a ground. It's only got 2 wires attached to this one. Alright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to splice those, and I will get back to you in a minute. Now, if you do notice, for my Fiat people, this does say for headlight bulb 9006. 9006 and 9012 or 9012 take the exact same type of headlight. They've just got a difference in the size and some plastic tabs on the headlight itself. Shouldn't affect the power to it. So what it looked like is we got a green wire that's a power wire. It's all the way on the left hand side if I'm looking at the clip side. So I'm assuming that my left side on here is going to be my power. And then, yeah, I'll get back to you when I'm done. We'll see if this worked. Now, I got a rat's nest back here that I'm going to fucking clean up in the morning when I can see it a little bit better. But we have 2 functioning lights, ladies and gentlemen. Didn't work fucking earlier. And, now I can actually show you how bad that one was melted. So this is apparently a common problem for Fiats. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that Dorman part in the description, and now you know how to do it. But it all works. So yeah, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe for more random cars that I'll probably never make a video on again. Cool.